Here's what's happening. YouTube fundamentally changed in 2025 and is now presenting a massive opportunity for small creators. For the first time ever, small creators are getting promoted like never before. And we're seeing channels with under 1,000 subscribers getting millions of views and generating that traffic into cash faster than any of us thought possible. But there are still too many small creators who think that they need to create fancy videos or post consistently to grow on YouTube. And this belief is holding them back from creating and posting and growing their business. But the truth is, the creators making all the money, they're not focused on that stuff anymore. I struggled for 3 years trying to grow my YouTube channel and get it to a place where my videos generated leads and revenue and grew my business. And it wasn't until I made this one shift that I started to generate hundreds of leads and sales to my business every single week. So today I'm breaking down my 7-step framework that I'm using to do this. The same system that's changed my business and proves that YouTube is now on easy mode if you know what you're doing. But before I do, if you're a coach, consultant, or entrepreneur and you're struggling to grow your channel and generate leads that grow your business, then I want to invite you to apply to my 5-day YouTube Lead Machine Challenge. In this challenge, I'm gonna work with you one-on-one and share with you my simple system on how to easily create videos that grow your business. I can only take on a handful of clients, so if you're interested, click on the link below and apply for the challenge. So here's my blueprint on how to make money easily on YouTube. I call it the CARE framework, and it's all centered around one thing: creating transformational content. You see, people pay for transformation. People buy from emotion first and logic second. This means the promise of transformation or becoming better versions of themselves creates powerful emotional motivation that drives them to buy stuff. So when your audience can see your content as a catalyst for their transformation, they will engage deeper, they'll watch longer, and they'll convert into customers faster. And there's a reason for this. When your content demonstrates the ability to help them make progress towards their aspirations, it releases dopamine, which creates this addiction-like motivation to keep watching and to eventually buy. So when you start creating content that focuses on helping your viewers achieve their desired transformations, making money on YouTube is going to feel effortless. So the question is, how do you create transformational driven content that genuinely helps your viewers and grows your business at the same time? I call it the CARE framework. It's the 7-step framework that, if implemented correctly, will help you grow your business on YouTube. So step 1, identify your ideal audience. This seems obvious, but most creators don't know how to identify their audience. Here's a simple and easy way to do it. You've probably heard some YouTube gurus say you need to niche down. But how do you effectively do that? An easy way is to create categories. Pick at least 3 categories to describe the audience that you want to serve. Categories can include things like age, gender, race, occupation, industry, interests, hobbies, psychographics. I think you get it. So an example target audience could be minority women in STEM careers between the ages of 25 and 40. I've picked 3 categories to define my audience. Now here's the key. The more you niche down, the easier it is to identify transformations because effectively you have less options. Which leads me to step 2, which is identify the transformations that your target audience wants. So in order to start to create transformational driven content, we need to identify the big transformations that our audience wants. An example could be becoming a pro-level mix engineer or fixing a broken marriage. But here's the thing, we can't help someone reach their full transformation from one video. Instead, what we need to focus on is micro transformations, or what I like to call it, micro wins. This is important because in order to make more money, period, you have to build trust. And giving viewers micro wins accelerates this trust and leads to more conversions. So how do we identify the micro wins we can help our viewers achieve? Here's how I do it. We start with transformation mapping. Once you have identified the target audience that you want to serve, take some time and write down 5 to 15 big transformations that they may desire. Examples could be learning how to play the piano, learning how to become a paid professional speaker, or learning how to forage for food. Chances are you may already know some of the big transformations your audience wants. I also have an AI prompt that I use to speed up this process, and if you're interested, I've linked it in the description below. Next is what I call transformational road mapping. So we're going to take one of those big transformations and we're going to write down 3 to 5 high-level steps that it's going to take for the viewer to go from where they are to where they want to be. So for example, if someone wants to become a better basketball player, they may need to learn how to handle the ball, how to pass, how to shoot, how to play defense, how to run plays, etc. Once you've identified the transformational roadmap, you then need to identify the transformational roadblocks. We all know that when we start to do something new, we're often immediately hit with roadblocks. And it's our ability to push past these roadblocks that determines our success. However, too many people never reach their goals because they give up too soon. And that's where you can help. Analyze the transformation roadmap and anticipate what problems the viewer is going to come up against at each step. By identifying and addressing these pain points, we can start to identify the micro wins we can offer to our viewers. So now that we've identified the micro wins that we can offer, we then need to package our content to promise that transformation. So here's what most creators get wrong about YouTube. Most creators think YouTube is about making videos, but they're wrong. YouTube is about making people want to watch them. That's a bar. YouTube is 20% creation and 80% presentation or packaging. And the packaging is the video idea, the video title, the thumbnail, the hook, and the intro. So you can get people excited about watching your videos by packaging them in a way that promises a payoff. And that payoff is that micro win. In this case, getting them one step closer to their desired transformation. The reason you clicked on this video is because maybe you're struggling to grow on YouTube, to make money from YouTube, and this video promised to show you an easier way to do that. Now, if you make a promise, you better deliver. So step 4 is to deliver content that moves your audience towards that transformation. If you package your content right and you promise a payoff and you don't deliver, you're going to piss a whole lot of people off. I'm just saying. So it's critical that your content actually helps people. But you don't need to be an expert to do this. This just means that you need to be one step ahead of your viewer. If you're one step ahead, you can effectively lead them. Step 5 is to generate leads by offering them a shortcut that accelerates their transformation. How do we do this? We do this with lead magnets. I stumbled across this through trial and error. But once I figured it out, I looked around and I saw that all the top creators were doing the exact same thing that I'm about to share. The key to generating leads from YouTube is to create irresistible lead magnets. A lead magnet is something of value that you offer for free or for a small amount of money in exchange for someone's email. But in order for this to actually work, you have to offer them something of value that they actually want. And because of the work that we did in the prior steps, this is actually really simple. Step 1 is to create lead magnets that remove the roadblocks that your viewer comes up against. And step 2 is to position your lead magnet as the shortcut to the micro win. So for example, one of my most viewed videos on this channel is about how to create viral Instagram text effects in DaVinci Resolve. Now in this video, I promise that the viewers will learn how to create these text effects for themselves. But before I start the tutorial, I offer them presets that they can install in the event that they don't want to spend all the time learning how to make the effect themselves. The presets get them to their micro win faster. This has allowed me to generate hundreds of leads and sales because people pay when you help them save time and effort. So if done right, these lead magnets will help you accumulate emails. And so when you get their emails, what do you do with it? Step 6, nurture leads through email by providing them with additional value. YouTube creates fans, email creates customers. Once you've captured a lead, you can move them to becoming a customer by continuing to add value, to continue to have the conversation. They didn't give you their email because they want to buy from you. They gave you their email because you provided them value. My rule is 1 sales email for every 4 nurture or value emails. Step 7 is convert your leads into customers with premium offers. Once you've built trust and help people experience micro wins, you will have a higher conversion rate when you send them your premium offers. And that leads me to this. The key to making money on YouTube is to package transformations and then offer shortcuts to those transformations with lead magnets. Remember, YouTube is a packaging platform. People pay for transformations, and your lead magnet should be the easy button. If you're ready to start creating videos that generate leads and grow your business, then apply for my 5-day YouTube lead machine challenge. Links in the description below.